Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of the Metal Redneck. I'm just out here picking some wild leeks. If you stick around, we're gonna have some fun.
Aha.
So this is my SKS with the ATI stock. It is a beautiful piece of hardware. If you haven't seen my other video on it, go check it out. But yeah, it's got the forward grip, collapsible stock, collapsible folding stock. It's pretty sweet. Alrighty, well, hope you all enjoyed this. Stay heavy, stay brutal, and stay metal.